The Facebook business page, in my opinion, is overwhelming. There's so many buttons. It's hard to navigate your way around. So I'm going to share with you what I think are some really valuable things that you need to know if you want to manage your Facebook business page, such as adding administrators to the page, inviting people to like or follow your page, changing the name of your page. So let me just jump into this right now. What we're gonna do is you're gonna go on your computer, you're gonna log in to your personal Facebook profile. Once you're logged in, the next step you're gonna look for, top right corner, you're gonna hit this drop down. You're gonna see your name, the one that you're signed into, as well as maybe any pages that you have access to. So for this purpose, what I'm gonna do, I'm currently moving around Facebook in my personal Facebook profile. In order for me to do certain things within my Facebook page, I have to be managing it and be within that page. So I'm gonna click on it. I'm gonna switch to Jared Larkin, Chicago title. This is gonna load, okay? Same screen's gonna load. Next step is you wanna now load and go to your Facebook business page. You can see here now, I've got my dashboard, I've got my insights, all my information, okay? What I wanna show you here, a couple things right here on the dashboard. First things first, this one is not an obvious one. I'm gonna share share it with you really quick, is if you wanna invite people to like or follow your page, you're gonna hit these three dots right here, and then you're gonna scroll down to invite friends, okay? Next screen's gonna pop up. It's gonna make me switch back to my personal profile because I'm inviting my friends that I am personally connected with and friends with through my personal Facebook profile. You can see here, you can only select up to 1,000 at a time per day. So I'll just go ahead and hit that, let that load. And if you have more than 1,000 friends like I do, you'll basically just have to check back in. It's gonna take you a couple days to get through this list and invite all of them to like or follow the page, okay? But that's step one. Now I'm gonna go back into the Facebook page, Jared Larkin Chicago title, so that I can show you a few more features that I think that I get a lot of questions on that come up on. Okay, there's a lot of buttons. You can see here we got our dashboard, we got our insights, we even got this manage button, which honestly just overwhelms me and makes me more confused. But what I want to show you next is how to give administrative access, certain levels of access to your Facebook page. So you're gonna do that by, first of all, being within your Facebook business page and logged in. You can see here, I'm right here, Jared Larkin Chicago title. Next up, right down here under settings and privacy, I'm gonna click on that. I'm then gonna click on settings. Once settings loads, you can see here, first things first, you can see here now I can change some stuff. If you ever want to change the name of your Facebook page, maybe it was with a previous company, now you're with a new company, you can edit that right here, change the name of it. Just make sure that you're happy with that because you only can make these changes every so often. You can see here, I can only change my page name every 60 days. I can change my URL. What I want to show you now though, is I want to show you the ability to add people to your page. Okay, I'm gonna move this over here. I actually clicked on the wrong thing. I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna go back to settings and I'm gonna go to, I think it's linked accounts. Let me see. Nope, it's not linked accounts. Let me go back again. Let's go to new pages experience. Here we go, new pages experience. Another layer of complication is Facebook has these older Facebook business page as well as these new page experience pages, which honestly just complicate and make even more things, I don't know, overwhelming. But now you can see here, we're on this screen under new pages experience, and now I can add someone right here. I clicked on add new. I can add people to have access to my page. So maybe I'll just type in a name, type in the name, and then you need to click the enter button if it doesn't pop up. And you can see here now, it's just gonna go down. I can click on this, okay? And now I can click on give access, all right? So you can see here, it says this person can manage the following and they'll have access. Depending on how much you trust this person, decide whether or not you wanna give them full control, right? And then you're gonna click on give access. Now, that person that you gave access to should receive a notification through their personal Facebook account that Jared Larkin with Chicago title gave them access to that Facebook business page. They're gonna have to click on it, accept access to it so that they now have that specific access level that you gave them. So that's how you do that. All right, there's a ton in here. I'm not going to get into it, but those are a couple key questions that I always get asked about the Facebook business page. Reach out to me, Jared Larkin, Chicago Title, if you have any questions. If you'd like to learn more real estate tools, marketing strategies, ideas, resources, check out my website, milehighhtitleguy.com, and sign up for my monthly video email newsletters through my blog that you can subscribe through right here. And that's it. Have a great day. Bye.